Hi everyone, today we are going to explain the difference between lexical morphemes and functional morphemes. Well, before I explain it, if you are new to my channel, please do not forget like and subscription to my channel. Well, in order to understand lexical morpheme and functional morpheme, first of all you should know free morphemes, and then you will understand functional morphemes and lexical morphemes. The definition of free morphemes is free morphemes are those morphemes that can stand alone as words and cannot be divided into smaller meaningful parts. If you do not understand it, let me tell you in simple words that free morphemes are those morphemes which are not bound to other morphemes, but rather it can stand alone and you cannot divide it into smaller parts. For example, just look at these words: book, happy, play, eat, etc. These are free morphemes. But why they are free morphemes? The answer is because they can stand alone and cannot be further divided. So free morphemes are divided into two categories, and they are lexical morphemes and functional morphemes. Now let's move and explain them. Lexical morpheme. Lexical morphemes are those which carry the content of the message we convey. Simply you can say that lexical morphemes are those words in a sentence that convey the content of the message. I think still you are not getting the point. Let me make it easier for you. Lexical morphemes include nouns, adjectives, and verbs. Why they are considered to be lexical morphemes? Because they convey the content of the message. These are lexical morphemes because they carry what? The content of the message. So that is why it is considered to be lexical morphemes, and it cannot be further divided, and it can stand alone by itself. So that is why they are called lexical morphemes. Well, as you have understood lexical morphemes, now it is the time to learn functional morphemes. Functional morphemes are those linguistic units that serve a functional purpose in a language. What does it mean by this definition? Simply you can say functional morphemes are those units which carry grammatical information in a sentence. I think still you are not getting the point. Let me make it easier for you. It includes prepositions, conjunctions, articles, and pronouns. Basically, these free morphemes are used for a grammatical purpose. So therefore it is called functional morphemes because it serves as a grammatical function. So I hope you have understood the difference between lexical morphemes and functional morphemes. So if you have enjoyed the lecture, please do not forget like and subscription to the channel. See you next time. Bye bye.